Next celestial body is comet. A comet is a celestial body that revolves around the sun. Comet are formed out of ice and dust particle. See how the comet formed by using ice and dust particle. They are part of the solar system. Since olden times, the appearance of comet has been considered to be an inauspicious event. Comets appear like points when they are far away from the sun. But when they are close to the sun, they become easily visible to us because of the shorter distance and heat of the sun. Comets are made up of frozen matter and dust particles. When they are close to the sun, this frozen matter gets converted into gas due to the solar heat. These gases get thrown in a direction away from the sun. As they're having the gases, it thrown away from the sun. As a result, certain comets appear to have long feathery tail. As shown in the picture, they have the structure long feathery tail. Due to their long elliptical orbits, their appearance in the sky is very rare. They reappear in the sky after very long period of time. Comets are classified into two main types. That is long period comets and short period comets. Long period comets take more than 200 years to complete one revolution around the sun, while short period comets take less than 200 years to complete one revolution around the sun. So these are the two groups or types of comets. Now do you know Halley's comet appeared in the year 1910 and reappeared in 1986. Its central part or nucleus was found to be 16 km long and 7.5 km wide. Halley's comet takes 76 years to complete its revolution around the sun. Okay. Now here having little bit fun of science. So you can try this at home also. A meteor. At times we see a falling star. This event is called a meteor fall. Mostly these meteors are rocky pieces originating from the asteroid belt. Means this meteor is like a rock only. Smaller rocky pieces get completely burned due to the friction with air after they enter the earth atmosphere. Sometimes these meteors do not burn completely and fall to the surface of the earth. These are called meteorites. It is believed that the Lonar Lake in Maharashtra has been formed by the impact of such a meteorite. Meteors or meteorite fall occurs on other celestial bodies too. So here we conclude the lesson number 16, the universe. So that is the last lesson of this semester. So here we complete this all syllabus of second semester exam. So everyone complete your CW up to lesson number 16. All question answers from your notes you have to complete in your CW. So here we complete all lessons for second semester exam. Okay. Thank you.